Kittle review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Kittle and how you can use it to create amazing looking designs. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, as you can see, I'm on their main platform, and over here we can see we have some amazing looking designs. As you can see over here, pretty cool looking designs for t-shirts, for posters, for your own logos, labels as well. So over here we have logos and we have labels over here. As you can see, pretty amazing looking labels. And then we have some t-shirt designs as well. I would definitely like to wear this one. Then we have posters and cards as well. So as you can see, the possibilities are endless over here. We can create anything we want, and it's so easy to use. They have a very large variety of different elements that we can use, anywhere between text, we have illustrations, we have Victorian shapes, sizes, everything. So let's go ahead and check them out. So first things first, what we're going to do is we need to sign up, and the sign up process is very simple. All you got to do is just simply click on the sign up button over here, and you can easily sign up with either your Google account or Facebook account, or you can just enter in your name, your work email, your password, and just simply create an account. And it's completely free. If you want to upgrade, then you can go ahead and upgrade later on, but I don't think that for beginner you would need it. But over here, as you can see, unlimited free and premium content is available. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google, and I'll catch you guys in a second. So over here, as you can see, once you have signed in or signed up, this is how it looks like. So pretty simple, nothing too crazy. But if you want to go ahead and create a design, just simply click on this button and you can go ahead and create it. So I'm going to go ahead and create a design of myself. So I'm going to click over here on create new design, and it's going to take me over here onto the blank canvas over here. Now over here you don't have a lot of stuff. It's very clean, very minimalistic, so it's pretty simple. Over here on the left side you have your main tools, such as projects, your designs, your text, your elements, uploads, photos, and then you have textures as well. And then at the bottom you have your color palette and layers. So let's say you already have a design you've created, now you want to change the color, so you just simply click on the color palette, then you can choose a bunch of different combinations of color to step your game up. So let's go ahead and do it. So first I want to go ahead and put an element over here, like a circle. So what I'll do is I'll just simply come over here. As you can see, we have a bunch of different options, and if I click over here onto this arrow, it expands the bar so that we can have a better view of what we're looking for. And also we have ornaments as well. We have anywhere between cool minimalistic looking ornaments to Victorian type ornaments like royal palaces and all of that. Like, it's pretty cool. We have illustrations as well, so we have sunsets, different animal illustrations, ocean, beach, flowers, skulls as well. Like, these skulls look pretty cool. And then you have some animals and roses, like a bunch of different elements as well. So, and then you have some abstract shapes as well, so circles, paints, bloods, whatever you want to call it, clouds, you have all of them. You have even Memphises as well. Like, I think these looks pretty nice as well. So, but you get the general idea. At the end of the day, it all depends on your imagination, your creativity, on what type of design element do you want to create. So let's go ahead and create one. Okay, so I'm looking at all these different designs to maybe like get an inspiration or something. So I think I have one particular design in mind. So let's go ahead and try to create one. So I'm thinking more along the lines of maybe like a biker gang. I think that will look pretty cool. So first, I think I would enter in a illustration of either a skull or a snake or a different animal. So yeah, I think this skull looks really nice, so I'll add that. As you can see, the element has been added. Now I'm also looking for maybe wings as well. I don't know why, but a lot of different biker gangs have wings on them, so we could go with that one as well. So these one looks nice. Like, we could go with individuals of these and flip it, but I think we already have it over here, so we don't need to go with this one. So I'll just choose these. Element has been added, as you can see over here. If I close, there you go. Now I just want to place it at the back, so I'll click on layers and I'll just move the illustration down, and boom, there you go. Now it's down and it's backwards. So now let me just center align it as well, like over here, and I'll put the snake and I'll center align that one as well. Yeah, I think this over here looks nice. Thing looks cool. Yeah, this one, I think this will do. Now I'm thinking somewhere like put some ribbons over here at the top and the bottom, and then we can add some elements. So let me actually go ahead and do that. Yeah, I think this looks good. I increased the size of it as well. Now I'll just simply go into elements and maybe even shapes over here, like something like these, right? Sorry, let me just increase it over here. Let's find one that looks cool. So yeah, something like this would look really nice. Maybe if we can find a similar one with, you know, upside down, it would be cool. So over here we have this one as well, and we have this one as well. Now these are two different shapes, so we'll just simply add one of these, and if we can't find it, then we'll have to figure something out and maybe like flip the other one. Okay, I guess we're flipping the other one. So I have this one right here. Let me just copy and paste it as well. So we'll paste one over here, paste one at the bottom, and now let's go ahead and flip it. There you go. I think it works. Yeah. Now we'll just go ahead and put it at the center like this. Put this at the center right here, and also put it a little bit downside over here. There you go. Now what we'll do is we'll add some more options. Let me actually select all of them and lower the size of it a bit, just in case. Actually, let me increase it a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. Now we'll just go ahead and I think maybe like a few wrenches as well. So we have a bunch of different options when it comes to wrenches. I like this one, so we'll go ahead and add two of them. There you go. I'll put this one over here, this one over here. Then we'll just simply 90 degrees. Here we go. We flip it and decrease the size of it a little bit and just simply scale it down over here at the middle. Again, rotate the other one. Actually, just simply copy this one since it's already the exact same size and this shape as well. So I'll just simply put it over here at the bottom, and over here put it at the bottom, and I'll just whittle it away this one, and just, you know, it looks nice. Now it's not quite perfect. Maybe if I increase the size of the wings like so and put it here, I think it looks good. No, I think we'll have to go with the individual wings as well. See, this one looks nice, this one looks better. Now I'll just simply, you know, to back, there we go, this one as well, to back. Yeah, this looks much better. Now I'll just increase the size of these ribbons and put them into the center right here, like that. Same with this one as well, and increase the size. There we go, it looks much better. Now we just simply add some of the text that we would like to add. Let me close this one. So let me just change the color. I think that if we went with a darker color, then instead of blue with the yeah, I think that looks, no, I think we'll just go with this color. Yeah, the grayish color, and change this one to that one as well. Okay, so now it looks a little bit different. I'm just changing out this color. So I just changed some of the colors. It looks pretty nice. I mean, it's all the same, but you get the general idea, right? Now we just enter in some of the name and we should be good to go. So I'll just simply come over here, click on the text, click on like add a headline right here, like this, and I'll take it over here and I'll put it over there, tag another headline, and this one I'll put it right here. Now I'm just simply gonna change it, the text to ride loud. So over here, as you can see, this is the illustration that I created. Now what we'll do is we'll just simply go ahead and add like a texture over here. As you can see, like these different types of texture to, you know, make it a little bit bigger. So release textures over here. As you can see, we can now see some grains over here at the top. Now if I also just simply select all of this, as you can see, we have some textures over here. Now you can see it. As you can see, like I'm moving it, so we can see we have some, and it looks pretty nice. So something like this you can easily create, nothing too crazy. I just simply created this in front of you guys, very easy. It took me like what, 5 minutes, maybe 10, but yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. So once you've done it, you can just simply go ahead and download the illustration. You can increase the size of it per pixel, you know, change the heights. You can remove the background, optimize the quality if you go with the, you know, pro plan. But for now, for the digital use, you can go ahead and download it as a PNG or a JPEG. It all depends on you. So pretty simple, that's how you'd use it. And as I said before, if you want to change the color palette, just simply click on the color palette, simply choose the colors you want, and you are good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.